Mobile supply chain application. This is the login page with Propel app. I've entered the credentials. I've entered my Oracle Fusion credentials and clicking on login button. At this point, we are calling a post API, login post API, to validate the credentials in Oracle Fusion Cloud. Once the credentials are validated, we will give the list of inventory arcs that are available for the user to log into the app. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Georgia Manufacturing Unit. As soon as I select the inventory arc, we load all the data with respect to the roles that are being assigned for the user. This will help the user to perform the transactions even when they are in offline. Because at this point, we are loading all the necessary data to the mobile database through Oracle REST APIs. So you can see all the APIs are being loaded. So as soon as the APIs or the data has been loaded, the users will be landed on this dashboard. Here we will display all the tiles or the transactions based on the roles that are assigned for the user. Let me start this demo with goods receipt. I'm launching the tile now. So as soon as I launch the tile, I can see all the list of documents that are ready to be received in this inventory organization. And this goods receipt supports different type of documents. Let's say it will support the users can receive a PO, an ASN, an RMA, or an in-transit shipment. And our platform supports scanning, searching, selection functionalities. You can see it here. So as part of this demonstration, I have created an in-transit shipment to receive. So I'm selecting the shipment number. So as soon as I select the shipment, it took me to items details page, that is third page, bypassing the second page, which is items list page. That is because the app will auto select the item if the shipment is created with a single item, because there is no need for the user to confirm the item when there is only one item in that shipment. If it has more than one item, the app will land the user in second page and ask for item confirmation. So with Propel Apps, we will automate whatever we can automate within the app. So here you can see the shipment number, item description, quantity information, the routing type that we selected during creation of this in-transit shipment, all this. And as you know, we have three types of routing types, okay, that are direct, standard, and inspection required. App is dynamic in such a way, if the routing type is set it as direct routing, then the app will ask the user to give sub-inventory and locator details during the receipt itself. Whereas if the document is defined with standard routing or inspection required, the app will not ask the user to give sub-inventory and locator details. It will just ask us to enter the quantity that we are receiving. So I'm receiving two quantity, clicking on save. Now with Propel Apps, we also have a functionality or a feature where users can print the receipt label once the transaction or once the receipt is done. Users can print the label. Now I'm just receiving these goods. I clicked on receive button. At this point, we are calling the post API to post the transaction to Oracle Fusion Cloud. You can see the receipt has successfully done and the number has also been generated. We can verify it in transaction history within the app. You can see 207240016 as the receipt number is generated for this transaction. Okay. Now I'm going to put away this goods into my storage location. For that, we have a transaction or tile called put away. I'm launching the tile now. Okay. You can see here, as soon as I launch the tile, it is displaying all the receipts that are ready to put away to the inventory. I'm selecting the receipt that I just created. As soon as we select the receipt, it will display all the details like, the item that we received and the quantity uh, information. And it is asking us to give the sub-inventory and locator details. Now, I'm going to receive this to central maintenance sub-inventory. I'm putting this in CNC location. So now I clicked on put away button, which will initiate the transaction. That's it. You can see the transaction has been completed successfully. And we can verify it in transaction history. You can see it here, goods receipt and put away. That's it. The receipt is done. I received the goods to my inventory. Now, let me share my screen and show these transactions in the Oracle Fusion Cloud. So this is the demo instance to which the app is connected. So let me go to inventory management. Clicking on tasks, review completed transactions. I'm filtering with the inventory arc that I selected during the transactions. GSU, search. So you can see here, this is the transaction I performed with two quantity. Let me open it. So this is the item number and I received a hydraulic pump of two quantity. Okay. So the sub inventory CM and CNC locator. You can verify the transaction date as well. So this is the shipment that I received and the receipt that is generated. So that's it. This is how we can receive goods using Propel Apps, and that will reflect in Oracle Fusion Cloud.